I've been here for 17 years. After graduating from uni, I taught for 18 months, and then this job became available for a maternity leave position for about 6 months, I think, from memory, when I was about 21. I was successful and I have been here since. We were just going through so much paper and there was so much time being put into the documentation process, and ink, everything, and I always wanted to move. I like moving forward, and so does Myrna, the other director. We like moving forward with modern advances, and that's what really prompted us to investigate Kindy Hub. So our team uses Kindy Hub on a daily basis. They love the fact that everything is in one area. Two of my younger age group rooms use the communicate button all the time. So they will be saying, so-and-so is having a better day today. And it's just this quick snippet of information to a parent, and then I see the parent response, and the communication between the parents and the staff have increased tenfold. So that's the hugest feedback I say to other centres that it's brilliant for. So the use of Kindy Hub has benefited our families because they feel more involved in the centre on a daily basis. They can see snapshots during the day. So not only do we do a daily report, we will quite often send a random photo to a parent. The parent will then ring or will then send a little nice note saying, I've just teared up and I've sent it to grandma and sent it to granddad. So that way we have just felt like the communication has improved 100%. I have a lot of educators that have been here for a long time, so I felt like it was going to be a bit of a challenge, but after it was introduced, they took it on quite well. And we trialled it in one room, and one room embraced it, and then it just rolled out throughout the whole centre, and it's been very successful. I find the Kindy Hub support team very thorough and supportive, very proficient. So sometimes other companies could take a couple of days, but I usually get a turnaround within 24 hours, the answer. And it's personalised. I feel like there's a relationship there. I'm never made to feel silly for asking questions. The top 3 aspects of Kindy Hub will differ, I believe, from educator to educator, but from a management perspective, my top 3 would be the communicate, because I can communicate to my staff, to my educators, to my parents, individual rooms, so that would be my number 1. My second one would be the way the families can communicate to us. That's been improving, as in so-and-so is sick today, so-and-so is away today, so that's reduced the amount of phone calls coming into the service, freeing up time for my admin staff to do her role rather than taking those phone calls. And the third thing is all the documentation my girls can do on the program so that it's all in one spot, and they can link it all to the EYLF, and it's all there, and they can ensure that they're covering all the outcomes and all the elements. I have recommended Kindy Hub to other educators because I believe it is a huge platform for instant communication with your families. And if you asked any service director, it's one thing that childcare centres lack, because parents send their children to childcare because they're going to work primarily, so they're time poor, so the communication is limited already. So then if you have something like this, they can respond to things in their own time, in their breaks. This is just an easy thing, and it's an app, and I think parents with smartphones these days, it's just the way forward.